Beauty of it, though, Matt, is again that you have the power. This is where we, the people, conduct our own economic policy here. If you don't want to be exposed to this kind of thing, pull your children out. Let's see just how much KinderCare believes in this when they start losing children in droves and it starts hitting their pocketbook. You'll find out whether they're true believers in this or whether they're just having their strings pulled by some leftist organization. Either way, they've proven untrustworthy for our children. Take your children out.
Well, this book, Families, and this curriculum is recommended by the Human Rights Campaign, which is the most powerful and well-funded pro-homosexual pressure group out of Washington, D.C. They are pushing this agenda. This is the same group that has what they call an equality index, where they rate Fortune 100, Fortune 500 companies based on whether or not they have signed off and to what degree they are promoting their radical agenda. Here we have the Human Rights Campaign pushing this agenda on these 3 and 4-year-olds. Now, what's good for the goose, as you said, is good for the gander. The Human Rights Campaign uses education as a tool, a pressure tool, uses public exposure as a pressure tool, uses this equality index, as they call it, that they put out, rating these companies as a tool to force these companies into compliance with their radical agenda. Well, we can do the same thing through educating the public. The majority of Americans still believe in sexual morality, still believe that God's designed for human sexuality, that sex is to occur between a man and a woman within the bonds of marriage. The majority of Americans still believe that. Now, do the majority of adults adhere to that? Not necessarily. People engage in premarital sex. People engage in adultery. But still, largely, people consider themselves and identify as Christians. And even though people oftentimes engage in behaviors that is sinful, in large part, they still understand and know that sexually immoral behavior is wrong. And I think the majority of Americans don't want their children taught that sexual immorality is good. Scripture says, "Woe to those who call evil good and good evil." KinderCare is telling your children that evil is good and good is evil. If you have your children in KinderCare, let them know how you feel about that. You may even consider pulling them out of KinderCare and finding alternative accommodations in terms of daycare or education for your children. I know certainly my 3 young ones will not be participating in any KinderCare activities. To learn more about what Liberty Counsel is doing to defend the traditional family, go to lc.org or give us a call at 1-800-671-1776.
You have been listening to Matt Staver of Liberty Counsel. Our hope is to encourage and inspire you to stand up for your faith, family, and freedoms. We can accomplish a lot when we work together. Get informed and get involved today. Sign up for our free monthly newsletter, The Liberator. We will send it out to you free of charge. Stay informed with our Liberty Alert email update. Just click on the website at www.lc.org or call us at 1-800-671-1776. Tune in next time to learn more about your rights right here on Faith and Freedom.